Hello, this is John Wilbenhorst, and welcome to this presentation about automated authority syndication networks for roofers. And we made this series because we found that roofers who get to the top of Google, who get to the top of YouTube searches, are the ones who get a lot more jobs. And so a lot of roofers have asked me, how do I do this? And there's not even just one thing you're being searched for. Yeah, people might be searching for a roofer, but they also might be looking for leaking roof repair, metal roof, shingle roof. They might be looking for a roofing contractor. They might be looking for gutters. So there's actually a variety of terms that you want to be ranking for. And so what we found works really great is to use what's called these automated authority syndication networks. So what are we talking about here? Well, we're talking about if you want to leverage the internet to meet more people, because people will do business with who they know, who they like, and who they trust. So that's all we're trying to do, is we're trying to get people to know about us, like us, and trust us. And so we just want to use the internet to do that. Now the first thing is people have to know about you. People aren't going to know about you unless you have what's called authority on the internet. Now just to explain this a little bit more, I could tell you, for instance, that I play basketball. And so I could tell you I play basketball, and you might say, okay, that's fine, you play basketball. But if I tell you I learned basketball from Michael Jordan, now you have a whole different view. Now there's been authority introduced to this equation. So if you're a roofer, you need authority. You may have you may be able to do metal roofing, you may be able to do gutters, you may be able to fix leaky roofs, you may be able to do all types of different tasks related in the roofing field. But if you don't have authority, it doesn't go anywhere. How do you get authority on the internet? Because if you just have your website or YouTube channel, there's no authority. But what we found is there are certain other websites that you can utilize. In other words, you can make an account with Tumblr. And Tumblr is a huge site with thousands of people on it, huge amounts of content. And they have what is known as a high domain authority. Google understands different websites in terms of their authority. If you are big, if you have thousands of people, if you have a lot of activity, a lot of content, you get a higher domain authority, and so you get more respect from Google. So if you make a YouTube and it's just on your own channel, if you make a YouTube about metal roofing, it's just sitting there on your own YouTube channel, no one may know about it because it has no authority. But that same YouTube, if you syndicate it out through Tumblr, Delicious, Digo, Twitter, Instapaper, Pocket, Weebly, Reading Pack, App.net, we've located over 20 different sites that we think are fantastic to syndicate your content out to. And by syndicating, let's say you make a YouTube about leaking roofs, or roof repair, or you make a thing about gutter installation in Petaluma, California. So you can make a YouTube video, but it's not going to go anywhere. But if it's automatically syndicated through all these networks, now Google says, oh, this must be a very authoritative video because it's being seen on all these other authority sites, therefore it ranks you higher in the search engines, therefore more people see it when they're at home and they're searching for gutter installation in Petaluma. Suddenly your YouTube video comes up because it has the authority that it's gained from being part of this automated authority syndication network. And it's very important, that word automated. You probably don't have time to be messing with 20, 30 different websites separately, posting content everywhere. So we use a site called If This Then That. This is a site where you can actually say, if this YouTube video is made, automatically it's posted over here. It's posted over here. So it's possible to automatically syndicate the content you're creating. And then once it goes out to all these different places, you have the authority, people find you. And this is building an internet marketing asset. You could do a one-time ad, you can do a one-time ad in a mailer, you can do a radio spot. You have to pay for all these things, and it happens, and then it's over. But when you can rank for a term, let's just say metal roofing in Santa Rosa, California, and you can get high ranking for that, a YouTube video, that video could potentially just stay there for years and years and years. You might be getting clients and customers for your metal roofing in Santa Rosa 5 years from now from something you do now. So that's the power of doing this type of marketing. It's an asset. It just keeps giving you and giving you and giving you more and more leads of people wanting your services. So, there's a lot more to say, there's a lot more details, but I want to just introduce myself and welcome you to give me a call. We can talk about your exact situation, what's going on, what you're really focusing on, what type of roofing you want to get. You want more residential, you want more commercial, you want more this or that. We can cater a program to you. And a lot of people would like to have this network, but they're still not sure how to make the videos, how to make the content that would go on this automated authority syndication network. We help people with that. We help you make the videos. So normally we end up doing packages for people where we build this authority syndication network for you, and then we help you to put all kinds of videos, content, blog content through this syndication network. This appears high in the search engines. You're getting more new clients and customers. So that's it in a nutshell. But again, we welcome you to give us more of a call. We can talk about your individual situation, and we can set up for you automated authority syndication network for you that'll be giving you customers and for years and years and years. So thanks for listening, and I look forward to talking to you personally.